everyone, welcome to the capsule edit that is happening at Gallery 105, the SBR branch, and in collection you are going to find lovely options of jewelry, some beautiful lounge wear, vacation wear. We have options in festive wear, quad set options as well, something in daily wear especially. We've got a lot of options in that too. Also we have something very interesting, that is a beautiful concept of hand embroidery. Along with that, some very kids friendly toys options are also available, and we also have healthy snacks. So what are you waiting for? Don't forget to check them out today and tomorrow at Gallery 105, the SBR branch, and to see the collection in detail, you know what you have to do. Swipe.
Hi, I'm Priya. My brand name is Desi Vibes. I have an ethnic and casual collection both.
Okay.
We'll start with the ethnic collection first.
Alright.
We have a kurta sharara with the contrast dupatta border.
Alright.
We also have something in tissue with the sharara in
Lovely.
the dual tone.
Okay.
The 3-piece set with the mal chanderi. All the sizes are available with us.
Okay. Beautiful.
Something in a coin work with the contrast dupatta in area.
Okay. Alright.
This is something in a gungru work
Okay.
with the self design on the dupatta.
Okay.
Now I will
Alright.
show you my casual collection.
Okay. So they also have casual collection. Okay.
These are the one piece with the detachable jacket.
Okay.
This is something different with the collar frock at the knot work.
Okay. Alright.
This is the sleeves with the knot work.
Right. Beautiful.
We also
So this is brand Sri Vaishnavi Collections, and they have beautiful options in sarees. So as you can see, look at that. And you will find a lot of color options as well. These are perfect for your work wear if you want to gift it to somebody. Look at these. Beautiful options. Something like this. Pura. Look at the work detailing. Also has tassels attached with it. Look at this beautiful color options that they have. If you like something like this. She also has a lot of options in dupattas as well. So you can get dupattas here too. Look at that. And these are more options in saris if you like these Banarasi saris also. So yes, that was Sri Vaishnavi collection for you.
Hi, my name is Dhwani and my brand name is Nirona Design Studio. We have this kind of silk collection,
Okay.
the kurta sets.
Lovely.
In plain we have a lot of options.
Okay. Alright.
Also we have buckets.
Beautiful.
Then some one pieces which are ombre.
Okay. Very
Also
pretty.
we have some huge range of cotton collection
Okay.
that is in a very affordable range.
All
It's starting
right.
from 1450 to 3000.
Okay. Very smart.
Also we have something in ombre in cotton.
Okay.
We can customize for any sizes. And
Okay.
also we do customize for family.
Alright. So customization is also available. Look at that.
Hi everyone, my name is Prachi Rathi. My brand name is Pressure Jewels, and we have some amazing collection of jewelry.
Okay, let's check it out.
Yeah, this
Yes.
is all American diamond jewelry starting
Okay.
from just rupees 600 rupees,
All
goes to
right.
25,000.
Okay.
We have some unique statement pieces of jewelry sets, then some long earrings.
Beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, and we have some kundan pieces also.
Alright, look at that. Very pretty.
Yeah, these are the long earrings. It's just like wearing the earrings.
Earrings.
only. And this we have a bridal set with manglikas and all.
Okay.
This is all American diamond jewelry sets again.
Okay.
This is American diamond bracelets,
Okay.
kundan bracelets. Then we have some gemstone malas. It is newly released right now.
Wow. Look at that.
And these all are hand painted. It's very pretty.
Okay.
And this is all some chunky stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, stainless steel jewelry. It's all
Hello. Hi, we are brand Design Molla, and we are back again with our new collection.
Alright.
Casa Flora.
Okay.
We have
Casa
shorts,
Alright.
embroidered shorts, then we have embroidered short dresses,
Okay.
specially embroidered dresses.
Okay. That's a very
We
cute
have
bow
short
dress.
tunics.
Okay, short tunics.
Then we have long printed dresses in digital print.
All right, these are perfect for your vacation.
Yeah. And we are available from sizes S to 2XL.
Okay,
A
S to
variety of
2XL.
kaftan dresses and
Okay.
short dresses.
All right.
Boho dresses we have.
Oh, they have boho dresses. Interesting. All
Yeah,
right.
and something like what I'm
You're
wearing.
wearing.
We are also offering discount on selected products up to 50%.
Okay, lovely. All right.
We have also embroidered dresses, something like this.
Okay,
Then tops, tunics.
beautiful.
હેલો માય બ્રાન્ડ નેમ ઇઝ શેડેડ બ્રાઉન એન્ડ અમારે બે કેટેગરીઝ છે એક છે હેન્ડ એમ્બ્રોઇડરી એસેસરીઝ
Okay.
એન્ડ ધી અધર વન ઇઝ પ્રી સ્કૂલ કિડ્સના ટોયઝ
Okay. All right.
એવરીથિંગ બધું જ અહીંયા હેન્ડમેડ છે
Alright.
જેમ કે અહીંયા દેખાય છે કેપ્સ છે
Okay.
બિનીઝ છે બેરેટ્સ છે
Lovely.
કોસ્મેટિક પાઉચીસ છે હેર બોઝ છે
Okay, lovely. Moving on to the next.
Hello.
Yes.
અમારી આ સેકન્ડ કેટેગરીમાં ટોયસ છે
Okay.
મોન્ટેસરી અને ઓપન એન્ડેડ ટોયસ છે તો
Okay.
એમાં અમુક ટોયસ વુડના બન્યા છે અને અમુક ટોયસ કોર્નના બન્યા છે એટલે આ નવું મટીરિયલ છે બાયોડિગ્રેડેબલ ઇકો ફ્રેન્ડલી મટીરિયલ છે
Okay.
અને બધા ટોયસ ઇંગ્લેન્ડમાં બનાવવામાં આવ્યા છે
Okay.
ઇંગ્લેન્ડના સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ્સ પ્રમાણે
Lovely.
તો અમારી રેન્જીસમાં 0 બોર્ન બેબીથી લઈને 6 વર્ષ સુધીની રેન્જીસ છે
Very,
બધા
very
કલર્સ
interesting.
ઇંગ્લિશ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પ્રમાણે કરવામાં આવ્યા છે.
Hi, I'm Kena Appa and my brand name is Spice in Law. We are exhibiting today and tomorrow at Gallery 105 at Sindhu Bhavan.
Okay.
We are into manufacturing of roasted snacks which are healthy and guilt-free.
Okay.
These are our spread, as you can see, from lava sticks to ragi stick to jeera stick. We have mamra as well from ragi and bajra, and we deal in all kinds of millets.
Okay.
You can enjoy the snacks during your party time, or you
Lovely.
can always enjoy the healthy snack.
Okay.
Our USP lies that we are 100% oil free and we
Okay.
do not use any palm oil, so you can enjoy the snacks.
Thank you. Hello.
હાય ફ્રેન્ડ્સ આઈ એમ પૂર્વી ફ્રોમ સ્ટુડિયો તુલા અને હું તમારા માટે રોજના કપડાં લઈને આવી છું મારી પાસે અંગરખા છે ઇન 4 or 5 કલર્સ
Lovely.
આઈ હેવ કુર્તા સેટ્સ
Okay.
ધીઝ ઓલ આર વિથ ધ પેન્ટ્સ
All right.
સમ કોટ સેટ્સ
Okay.
સમ રૂટીન વેર ધીસ ઇઝ કાલા કુર્તા
Kala cotton. Okay.
ધીસ ઇઝ block printed.
Lovely.
This is all made by artisans,
Okay.
so and very breathable fabric.
Lovely.
These are some loose fit tops. So
Beautiful.
you can wear in your Uttarayan or somewhere.
Yes.
If you are looking for something in Uttarayan,
Absolutely.
so you can go for this. I have kaftan sets also.
Okay. Very
is
smart.
indigo.
Lovely.
These all are also with pants.
Pants.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is hand painted kaftan.
Okay.
I have some linen tops also.
All right.